Lesson 5. Additional profits and rewards using reward and loyalty programs. Another impressive tool at YouHodler's disposal is its Cloud Miner. This is a gamified Bitcoin mining simulator that allows people to earn money by completing simple tasks within the YouHodler ecosystem. The tool requires zero processing or computational power from the user, meaning that anybody can use it, regardless of how powerful or weak their machine is. Rather, it works by having users perform certain tasks, such as depositing sums of money into their YouHodler account, trading, and having a certain amount of monthly trading volume. By doing this, your level begins to increase, which offers further perks that improve the power of your Cloud Miner. In total, there are 8 levels in the loyalty program, with each level offering slightly different perks, although they all have one thing in common. The higher your level, the more sparks you get. A spark is a type of in-game point that is used to fuel your Cloud Miner. Your miner is made up of a set of blocks, and each block needs a certain amount of sparks to start mining it. Once the block is mined, it earns you real BTC. Your level will also determine how many blocks are unlocked for you. When you start out at level 1, only 2 blocks can be mined. But if you make it to level 8, then the whole 19 will be available. This is an intuitive and user-friendly way of providing YouHodler's customer base with a new avenue for earning. The Cloud Miner is not only designed to be simple to navigate, but its gamified nature helps people understand how it works very quickly and efficiently. It is also a perfect example of a product that is interwoven with the entire ecosystem, as actions like trading with MultiHODL and having certain trading volumes have a direct impact on the Cloud Miner rewards. And with each level reached boosting your crypto yield account up to 15% API and $200,000 in yield limit.